All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside of our Tensorflow course, and we're still doing our grad cam method module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Today we just pretty much added another piece of code to our code, and we took some light notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this light code that we have here now and run it to make sure everything is still synced. Remember last night, the last thing we ran, or we printed our shape for our pooled grabs, or our pooled grad dot shape. That was this here. So let's pick up some light reading. This shape is basically a vector now where each position is a mean of a single channel. We have a 2048 dimensional vector, which is what we are seeing when we see the shape of 2048. The next thing we will want to do is take our dimensional vector and multiply it by our features maps. We can carry out this multiplication by using a for in range method. This is the code that we will be using with our range or with our in range method. So you have our last cavalier output equals last cavalier output dot numpy. Then we have an index of 0 because we want to target a specific starting point for our count. Then we have a for I in range of 2048 or 2048. Then we have our last cavalier output. Then you see here our specifications for I multiply equals pool grads index I. So for each and every one of the different positions we have, we are going to take the corresponding last cavalier output, which is essentially the features map. So basically that's what this is doing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get and run this and make sure everything is still synced up nice and we don't have any hiccups. Because like I said, as you recall, we have to make sure everything is working previously before we can move forward or the code won't compile at all. So yeah, we're going to take our time and do it piece by piece to make sure we stay in step with the instructor and we're doing everything we need to do to move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.